Today, I will present you the amazing exhibition created by a Romanian artist, Maria Cioata. She helps us, remembering us, that the woman is the first craftsman of the world and also its first artist, a visual artist. The exhibition is this online gallery addresses our capacity of loving. We recognize ourselves in her art. Her pieces tell us about ancient human energy, ancient solar energy mingled in clay in order to capture the fleeting appearances in defined shapes. And these shapes are whispering a fairy tale. Once upon a time, the fairies of this realm, named Sunsiene, priestesses of the sun, wearing Romanian blouse, Ia, were offering joy, prosperity, health to everyone around. Ascending forms of the show express the high spirituality lowered on the world during the night of Sunziene. Maria's art melts in magic, catching in a definite form the dance of the fairies wearing celebration garments. Also, while she is modeling the clay, Maria is putting a spell, and the pure form turns into a magic bird. Is the bird of the spirit, the sleepless bird of the beginnings. Searching for primitive symbols, the artworks simply comes to life.